Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Stu. I have this Volkswagen Tiguan. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick and how to reset the oil life. All right, this is a 2011, if I'm not tripping. Okay, this is the setup. Good. Okay, so come with me. Shout outs to my followers, subscribers, okay, viewers. Thank you for the help, support, love. I appreciate it. Okay, where would I be without you? So before I get into it, also I wanna encourage people to subscribe to my channel. Hit bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me what you think about this vehicle. Anything you have in mind, just say it. I'm saying, think loud. Put it in the comment box for me. Okay. Let's get it. Astuo, boom, yeah. So we open the hood. Just pull it. Okay. There's a lever to open the hood. This is it. 2012 2.0 TSI. Alright. I like this setup because the oil filter is right here. It's the oil engine cup, engine oil cup, cap, whatever. This is the oil dipstick to check the level. Okay, nice. It dates R1348. That's for the Freon. And that's the type of oil. I've got to remove this. Oh, this guy. So the way around, yeah. Just that though. T45, T20. T20, same 45. Wait, yeah, 45. Oh, I love German cars. Coming. Dark. T45. Turn it off. Put the oil drain plug back. Me. It's better if you use the T45 to put it back. You know what I'm saying? You have more handle. But you can still do it with the fingers, it's okay. Don't forget to tighten it, snug it with the T45. Okay. Clean it. Alright, Gucci. Now we put the cover back, we proceed to put the oil in. Now right here we're gonna remove the oil filter. Just be careful though because it might leak. Do it slowly. think the design of the filter is to not leak when you remove it, but we're about to find out. Made by Pennzoil. Let's see, we're about to find out. Yeah, I was right. There we go. It's gonna come out just like that. Look at how fast. Yep, that's the design of it. That was a Pennzoil brand. Now this is the other brand, Parts Master. There's part number, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to clean this. Okay, that's good enough. Oh shit. Alright, so this thing right here, sometimes it breaks and it stay there. You see that hexagon, octagon, whatever you want to call it, inside? That's for you to put the like a tool to remove it if it breaks in there. Okay, so don't get panicked. You can use pliers also to remove it. In this case, just came out the whole thing. Alright, I will put the thing. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so just make sure it's tight. Okay, pretty tight. Now we're gonna put some oil. Clean this if you can. Now the oil type, it says 50200. You can use a 0W20, 5W30. So I'm putting 5W30 synthetic oil. Okay, 4 quarts, which is enough. Just like this thing. I'm gonna put the four quarts synthetic oil, 5W30. Okay. It says 50200. That's 0W20, 5W30 synthetic oil. So now you know. 4 quarts, 5W30 synthetic oil. 4.5 is fine. Poured everything back. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I hope you like the video how to how to do the oil change. My bad. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0. Alright, so this is off right now, it's shut down. What you're gonna do is press this guy, then turn the key to the on position. Don't start the car, hold it until the screen turns on, then let it go. Just press this one and then turn off the key, turn to the off position. That's pretty much it. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit it hard, bang it, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button and share this video. Alright, I appreciate my subscribers, my viewers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? Don't forget to wear your safety glasses and your gloves. All right. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. By the way, I put 4.5 quarts of synthetic oil, 5W30. Okay. All right. Take care. Have fun. See ya.